Hey there, this is Amethyst with WTI, and I'm very excited to share with you guys this beautiful lippy that I've got on right now. This is by Kat Von D, and it is one of their vegan butter lipsticks. And when I say this stuff feels great on the lips, it is nourishing and smooth and keeps my lips moisturized. With a nice dark color like this one, this is BluePink. It's got a nice deep navy, almost purpley kind of color going on. A lot of dark lipsticks tend to dry me out really bad, especially because I am prone to dry lips. So whenever I'm using this though, what I love is that they don't get chapped, which is just a miracle product. You can have your nice dark lippies and also have nice moisturized lips. This also works wonderfully when you're layering it on top of something like a liquid lipstick, so you can have a nice sheen and a very pigmented lip combo. So if you're looking for something that is going to keep your lips feeling nice and soft while giving you beautiful coverage, then I highly recommend you check these products out, and that is my point of view.